the relationship between Sonatype and Amazon as a whole goes back quite a ways. Amazon is a big contributor to the Maven project that Sonatype is stewards of. So that's one way that we like to give back to the open source community. We're collaborating with tooling, right? So Sonatype's tools are going to be complementary to our tools so that when customers adopt our tooling or Sonatype's tooling, they have what feels like native first-party integrations. So when they get to use the tooling, there's not a, how do I plug this in? It should just work, right? So we're really doing a lot in that space from the building, from the business, from our long history together with Maven. Sonatype's tools naturally enable enterprises and other customers to adopt the breakneck speed of AI development tooling easier, right? Because they have, number one, life cycle with the licensing, the management, the visibility. I think that when folks are going to be asked about compliance, they can see, look, we're increasing our code reviews, but we're maintaining the compliance, right? Well, if you just inherently adopt open source without any checks, it's possible that you're not going and maintaining your compliance that you have, or you're advancing and encroaching on someone else's license, right? So I think naturally Sonatype works well there. And I think that's with our product Hero, which is our agentic IDE, I think that's a natural fit. For our most regulated customers, I think one of the key advantages of being an AWS customer and also a Sonatype customer in the partnership is our tooling ultimately will have changes to how you're currently doing compliance, right? The world's changing. Sonatype's tools help you augment that and enable you to answer your compliance officer, what are we doing in this space to ensure that we're doing things the right way? I think that's where Sonatype and AWS come in together to really, enhance the business productivity, but also keep the compliance officer sleeping well at night.